Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of your IMO examination, that is IMO Class 4 exam. The chapter is Computation Operation. In this chapter we have total 5 topics. First topic is addition, next subtraction, multiplication, division, and the last one is multiples and factors. In this video we are going to solve some previous year questions of the topic addition. The first question is, if we add 1 to any number, the sum is always its dash. And we have 4 options: predecessor, successor, 0, 1. Okay. Here we have 2 terms, that is one is predecessor and successor. Second one is successor. And just remember the meaning of these words. What is the meaning of predecessor? Predecessor means previous number. Previous number. And successor means next number. We all know that in the case of addition, if we add 1 to any number, say number is 2, okay, the result will be, or the answer is 3. That is the next number. That is next number of 2. That is the property of 1, right? Property of 1 is that property of 1. This question is based on the property of 1. That is, if we add 1 to any number, the sum is always the next number. Here for the term next number, they are giving the word that is successor. So the only thing you need to know that the word meaning of this thing, that is successor. The meaning of successor is next number. Okay. So answer of first question is option number B, successor. Now let's move to the next question, question number 2. Here our question is addend plus dash is equal to dash. And our options are addend, comma sum, minuend, comma sum, subtrahend, comma sum, difference, comma sum. Now look at the question. We clearly understand that the question is based on the terminologies used in addition, right? See, what are the terminologies used in addition? Let's see. When we add 2 numbers, suppose numbers are 25, 5. So when we are going to add this, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. This will be our equation. Okay. So the terminologies used in this equation, or the terminologies used in addition, that is 25. These 2 numbers which we are going to add, or which we add here, these 2 numbers are called addend. A-D-D-E-N-D. This is addend, and the another number which is also addend. And the sum or result which we obtained here is called either sum, total, result. Okay. So in this question, addend plus dash is equal to dash. Okay. By this symbol we came to know that this is an addition equation. So addend plus dash, addend plus another addend. Here we have option addend, right? Addend plus addend is equal to, result is known as sum. Here sum is here, right? So the option is option A, addend plus addend is equal to sum. This is the answer of question number 2. Our third question is, look at the problem here. Square is equal to triangle plus 5 if triangle is equal to 7. What is square? Oh, I forgot to write the options. Here our options are, these 4 are our options. We have to find the value of this square. For finding this square, we have an equation, that is triangle plus 5 is equal to square. Okay, let's solve this question. Our equation is square is equal to triangle plus 5, and we have the value of triangle. What is the value of triangle? Triangle is equal to 7. So simply we need to put the value of triangle in this equation, that is square is equal to value of triangle is equal to 7. 7 plus 5, right? Then square is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Then what is the value of square? Value of square is 12. Let's check the options here. Option number C. Option 3 C, that is 12. 12 is the value of square. Okay, this is a simple question. You just need to add the value, put the value of the given symbol to the equation. The fourth question is find 3 different ways to make the number 99. This is the question, and this question is a tricky question. Our options are 99 plus 0, 98 plus 10, 90 plus 1. Like that we have 4 options. So we have to find 3 different ways to make number 99. We have to make the number 99. So let's check each equations here or each options here. In option number A, that is first one is 99 plus 0. What is 99 plus 0? 99 plus 0 is 99. So here we get one way of making 99. Second one, 98 plus 10. 98 plus 10 is 108. So here we can understand that the option is wrong, because here we get the number 108 instead of 99, right? So this option is wrong. And moving to next option, option B, here 99 plus 2, that is 101. So this is also wrong. Next option, here option C, 99 plus 1, which is 100. So this option is also wrong, right? Moving to the last option, 99 plus 0, which is 99. 98 plus 1, 99. 90 plus 9, 99. So clearly this is the 3 different ways to make the number 99, right? All the 3 answers are 99. So our answer is option D, right? The fifth question is simplify 21 plus 10 plus 17. Okay, this is a mental maths question. Here we have 4 options. Now we have to solve this equation, solve this question, right? 21 plus 10, 17, right? This is our question. As all of you know, this is our ones place, this is our tens place, right? 7 plus 0, 0, sorry, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Moves to the next place, that is tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Here our answer is what? 48. After solving the question completely, we get the answer 48 as our answer. Okay? But here I will give you a trick to save your time while solving such kind of question, and this trick is applicable only when make sure that there is no option none of these. Okay, if there is an option none of these in this question, you have to solve the whole calculations. Okay, see here we have 21, 10 and 17, right? We have to add this number. Here ones place and tens place. First we need to add the numbers in ones place, right? So when we add this number, 7 plus 0 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. After getting the first digit or ones place digit, you just check the answer with your options. Here we have 4 options and check how many answers have the number 8 in ones place. Now we can see we have only one answer. One answer having the digit 8 in its ones place, right? All other options have answers in numbers, different numbers. So blindly we can say that this number 48 is the answer. Make sure there is no option, none of this option is not there. Okay, in such case we can blindly write that the answer is option C.